In this video, I'm going to show you where to find a ton of graphics you can use in your projects that won't cost you a penny. You're going to learn where to find free backgrounds, free icons, free mascots, free vector graphics and clip art, free silhouettes, and lots of other graphics goodies you don't have to pay for. Let's start with backgrounds. Backgrounds form an important part of any design, whether it's a background for an object, another graphic, or even a website or opt-in page. The background you choose can make a huge difference to the overall look and feel that's achieved or perceived, and can either enhance the main subject or detract from it, especially if it's too busy or too fussy. The websites I'm going to show you will give you an abundance of choice and let you find the right background for any project completely free. The Fotor website has a huge number of artistically designed photo background images to make your amazing creations even better. You can use their photo backgrounds to maximize the visual impact of your work to produce stunning results for very little effort. The Fotor website also includes a powerful photo editor, a collage maker, and a design app, and you can access them all using the navigation menu at the top of the site. This next website, Vecteezy.com, has thousands of backgrounds you're free to use for both personal and commercial projects. You must give attribution to the site when you use their work. If you prefer to use their assets without attribution, you can purchase a premium subscription or download credits. Your search can be filtered by license type and orientation, and once you've chosen your graphic, you can download it immediately, or if you need to edit it, you can use their built-in online editor tool. Now let's look at icons. Icons are like a universal language. They're used to convey an instantly recognizable message in both the online world and in the offline world, such as on road signs, flyers, magazines, etc. When they're used in moderation, icons can enhance the aesthetics of a website, as well as improve visual interest. They grab the user's attention, and they can even help guide users to the different sections of a site, almost like a graphic bullet point. These websites will help you find the perfect icons for your projects without needing your credit card. The Icon Finder website has over 2,660,000 SVG icons in 12 different styles, including flat, outline, 3D, and hand-drawn. You can search by keyword, or you can browse through 60 different categories. You can also filter the results by price, including free, and by license type, including commercial use with no link back required. If you're at a point where you're happy to pay for an icon, you can also choose from thousands of high-quality icons licensed for professional use by purchasing individual items or by signing up to one of the subscription plans. Flaticon.com has an incredible 1 million plus vector icons grouped into more than 20,000 packs. It's arguably the largest database of free icons available in PNG, SVG, EPS, PSD, and Base64 formats. The free basic license allows you to use a large selection of flat icon contents for your projects as long as they are attributed to their author in the final project. The premium license gives you access to many more icons and means you can use any icon without attribution. The Icono website is relatively small compared to the previous site, but there are currently over 3,000 icons to download over 5 different free collections. It's definitely a website worth having a look at. Let's talk about mascots. Lots of big companies use mascots as their spokesperson for consumer products or to represent their brand. Geico has the Gecko Lizard, Frosted Flakes has Tony the Tiger, and sports teams often have animal mascots related to their team nicknames. Because a likable, relatable mascot makes a physical and emotional connection with a target audience much easier to achieve, with the potential for both sales and recognition to get a healthy boost. This next website can help you power up your branding with a completely free mascot. VectorCharacters.net has lots of high-quality mascots available for you to use in both your personal and commercial projects. The mascots come in different styles, including flat style and hand-drawn, and are divided into 38 categories. You can find boys, girls, business characters, vector superheroes, and even fruits and shapes. Each free character comes with a limited number of poses, but they're all high quality and very likable. Now I'd like to show you where to find free vector graphics. The best thing about vector graphics is that you can scale them to a much larger size without losing quality, like you would with a raster image such as a JPG or a PNG, which can be very useful if you want to print your graphic onto a t-shirt or poster. You can also edit vector graphics with a program like the free Inkscape software or Adobe Illustrator if you have access to that. Let's look at some sites where you can download some awesome vector graphics completely free of charge. When you visit the Vectortoons website, you can download thousands of vector clip art images at no charge. Simply add any of the free graphic bundles to your cart, check out, and then download them instantly. PNG, PSD, and vector PDF files are included. You don't need to give up any credit card information, and you also get a commercial license. Make sure to use the coupon code FREESTUFF at the checkout. There's also an extensive library of vector graphics to buy at very reasonable prices. The PD Clip Art site is home to more than 25,000 public domain clip art, and it's always growing. You can search by keyword, or you can browse through 135 categories and subcategories. Everything is free to use in both personal and commercial projects, and even in products for resale. This website has more than 700,000 clip art in 29 categories, including business cards, textures, icons, birthday cards, and lots more. The search function is excellent, and attribution isn't required, even when you use the assets for commercial projects. But as a free member, you're limited to a maximum of 9 downloads each day. The FreePic website is a fantastic vector graphics resource that you can use completely free for both personal and commercial purposes, but you must give attribution when you use their work in your projects. If you'd rather not give attribution, you can always go with the paid option. You can search by keyword, or you can browse by popularity, or by the latest vectors that have been added. The FreePic artists create hundreds of new vectors every day, so there's always something fresh to use in your websites, your banners, your presentations, and your videos. This next website has a ton of nicely categorized and searchable public domain clip art you can use for all your projects, both personal and commercial. Clicker.com also includes a tool which will automatically vectorize images for you, but you must register for a free account and be logged in to use this function. Let's move on to silhouettes. According to Wikipedia, a silhouette is the image of a person, animal, object, or scene represented as a solid shape of a single color, usually black. The interior of a silhouette is featureless. And that's exactly why silhouettes are ideal graphics to use when you want to appeal to a broad range of people without worrying about skin tone or expression. You can find an abundance of silhouettes you can use in your projects completely free on these next websites. The Silhouette AC website has more than 52,000 free vector silhouettes in 15 categories, covering everything from people and objects, food and drink, sports, and many more. Thankfully, the website has an excellent search function, so it's very easy to enter your keyword and find exactly what you're looking for. All of the silhouettes on the website are free to use for both personal and commercial purposes without attribution and can be downloaded in PNG, JPEG, SVG, or EPS format. Free members can download up to 9 pieces per day, so if you need more, you would have to subscribe to the Pro membership. All Silhouettes is another website with tons of free vector silhouettes. There are more than 15,000 vector clip art silhouettes in 325 collections, and it's constantly growing. Whether you're looking for business people, dancers, workers, etc., or you need a silhouette of a lamppost or a cooking pan, you'll more than likely find what you're looking for on this website. Silhouettes are downloaded as collections rather than individually, and you get a very generous license as to how you can use them. And now for some other free graphics. Rather than specializing in a particular type of graphic, these sites bring together everything creative under one roof, like a graphics supermarket. You won't even need to take out your wallet at the checkout because all of these sites are happy to let you shop for lots of their goodies completely free. The Creative Market website is a fantastic resource for free stuff because every week they have about 6 new freebies to download, including graphics, templates, mockups, fonts, Photoshop add-ons, etc. It's definitely worth checking out and signing up to be notified when the next freebies are available. When you first visit the site, you'll also be presented with a pop-up which offers a discount on any of their paid products you might want to buy in the future. DesignKoon.com has lots of evergreen freebies, including mockup templates, website PSDs, images, app mockups, and more. You can download unlimited items for personal and commercial use, but you will have to submit your email in order to access them. There are lots of tasty, evergreen freebies on the Graphic Burger website, including icons, logos, textures, Instagram story templates, t-shirt mockups, and more. You don't even need to sign up to download from this website, but there is a Buy Me a Coffee button if you're feeling generous. Inky Deals is a marketplace website that's very popular with creatives looking for great value paid bundles. As well as having a free section with ever-changing deals, they almost always allow you to download a no-obligation free sample of each paid product so you can decide if you want to buy or not. Make sure to click on Free Deals in the navigation bar to see all the latest freebies that are available. This is another marketplace website that has time-sensitive deals. Mighty Deals is very popular with graphic artists, video creators, and other creatives because of the great value bundles at low prices. If you click on free deals in the navigation menu, you'll see the current deals available to download at no charge. But remember, if you see something you like, grab it before the deal expires. The next website, Spoon Graphics, is owned by a guy called Chris Spooner, who's passionate about design and graphics. He regularly puts out high-quality free stuff to his blog subscribers, mainly for use with Photoshop or Illustrator. He also does tutorials for the graphics he creates, which he also posts on his blog. DesignBundles.net has an excellent range of free designs to download instantly from their free design resources section. They're 100% free with no strings attached, and most of them come with the Design Bundle premium license for commercial use, including their free design of the week. You can find a huge variety of different graphics on this well-stocked marketplace website. And there you have it. Next time you need a background, an icon, a mascot, a vector graphic or clip art, a silhouette, or any other graphics, you won't need to get out your credit card because you'll know exactly where to find them completely free.